Hi, hello, this is LeeAnne and welcome to my channel. This video is all about testing a product from the ads I found in Facebook. So I was scrolling in Facebook and I saw this advertisement where it caught my attention. So since I cannot understand Thai and I messaged them and they reply me in Thai, I cannot read Thai and I don't know how to speak Thai. That's why I asked my partner at work if she can help me with purchasing the products. Well, thank you so much to my partner because she helped me and now the product is here. It is very small, well, like this one. Yan guys, that was the advertisement that I saw in Facebook. So I asked my partner at work to help me purchase. Now we're going to open this package. It is very small. See, you can see that. And this product is 50 baht. Yeah, so this one is 50 baht, and then but I paid for the shipment or the shipping of 30 baht, so I paid 80 baht in total. So now this is the product. It is a Marika. It is Marika Aqua Toner. Oh no, Aura. I like that sound. Yes, enough of that now. So guys, to tell you, I'm not really good in reviewing products, but here I want to test it for you if this one is good. It says Marika Body Aura Toner, and look at that. It is written in it's written in Thai and also in English. So now the ingredients are water, sorbitol, glycerin, cucumis, sativus fruit extract, centinella acinetica leaf extract, lactic acid, citric acid, potassium hydroxide, honey, my honey shop, protease, hydrolyzed wheat flour, polysorbate, pronas. Okay guys, that's a lot, but the active ingredients are manuka honey, Bio-M protease, axolite, cucumber extract, centinella asiatic extract, and AHA fruit, and sorbitol. So when I saw this in Facebook, I saw that they're using it to clean the neck over here, because I saw sometimes when I do like this, my neck here at the back is kind of dark, so like that. So I will try if this one is really effective. I am trying it for you guys also. So now we need cotton. I'm going to get a cotton. Where's the cotton? Okay. So they were applying this to all the dark areas. So I'm going to try it now. I have the cotton here first. Okay. let me open it. Open it, this one. But first, let me smell it. It smells good. It smells like shampoo. Shampoo or soap. It smells good. It doesn't smell bad at all. Okay, so now I'm going to put in the cotton. Okay, so I will apply it to my back neck. Just the same with what I saw in the Facebook advertisement. So let me see if it can really clean. It's a body toner, they said. Cannot reach. Guys, naligo ako Naligo ko, kakaligo ko lang. Basa pa nga yung ano ko. Basa pa nga yung hair ko. Kasi ganyan. Hindi ko kasi ma-reach. At saka, ayan. Ayan siya, hindi na. Okay. So, ayan. Madumi ba? I was expecting na ano talaga siya. Very dark talaga yung mukha. Pero, hindi naman masyadong marumi pala yung katawan natin. Kaya yun. At saka itry natin sa try natin sa front neck dito. Kasi ito yung mga areas na hindi minsan na-neglect natin. Narinig niya yung kumakanta. Neighbor ko yun. So, masan siya na. He's just happy. So, ayan. Merong, parang medyo may tingling effect na parang, siguro hindi to siya sa mga open pores. Hindi maganda sa mga open pores or something kasi pumapasok siya at saka konti. Meron ba ako dito? Bakit? May sama din. Ayan. It says body toner. Dumi pala na. Dumi ko pala. The advertisements. Okay. So, since ito ay ayan. Tsaka, ito guys. Ito yung mga nakuha natin sa natin. Ito yung nakuha natin sa ating katawan. So, since this one is body toner, so hindi pala ito pwede sa face natin guys kasi ito ay body toner. So now, itatry ko siya sa aking knees. Kasi itim din yung knees natin. Mabango siya guys, mabango. Marika. Baka lang. Ayan. Hindi naman ito i-effect siguro agad-agad. Lang siya. Pampalinis. malinis sa batok. Okay. At saka, mapaputi na din siguro sa mga mas ano yung ano ko pala eh, yung knees ko. Mas maitim, no? Mas marumi. Oh my gosh. Nakita ko yung one time, nakita ko sa isang advertisement, nakita ko nalalagay na dito sa kilikili. Pero guys, ayoko, natatakot ako. Ayan. Feeling ko nakakalinis din naman. It helps cleans those areas na hindi natin masyado na napagtuunan ng pansin. At saka dumi. Ayan. Ayan. Hindi siya kapareho kasing dumi dun sa advertisement, pero may nakuha pala talaga siyang dumi. Kahit nga katatapos ko lang maligo ha. I just finished my shower and then I wiped this, but still it has some dirt. So that's why I think this one is good. This one is only 50 baht. 50 baht, that is around 80 pesos. So hindi na siya kamahalan. So yun guys, yun lang yung pag-review ko. Sana nagustuhan nyo at na-try natin yung product na nakita natin sa mga ads doon sa Facebook. At saka, see you again sa ating next video. Bibili na naman tayo ulit ng mga products na makikita natin sa Facebook. So, ayun guys, natapos na din ang ating try-on sa mga products na nakikita natin sa Facebook. See you soon, and thank you so much for watching. God bless!